Today we're going to learn how to make this one. Okay, so we will start out by folding our paper in half. Now we're going to take it and fold it, bend it in half the other way, but do not make your crease quite yet. We don't need the crease, we just need to bend the side of it just a little bit. We just need that as a reference point. Now we're going to take the top, we're going to bend it down to that point, but we are not going to crease this again. We just need another reference point, so we'll just make a little mark right in the middle there. So we're left with this and this. This is the one we want here. We're going to take this corner and put it right on that little crease we made, and then we can make our fold there. Now we're going to take this side and we're going to do the same. We'll bring it right to that reference point that we marked, and we'll fold that over just like that. So that's what we're sitting with so far. Now we can take this edge here, we'll fold it down along our center crease. And give it a fold. Then we can do the same with this bottom one, this edge here, to our center point. Once we have that done, we can fold it in half. Bring down our wing, and we'll just bring this edge right down to this bottom edge here. And then we will do the exact same thing on the other side. And there we have it. This thing flies like a rocket. Let me know down in the comments how yours flew. I know mine flew pretty great.